Success doesn't come from sporadic bursts of effort, it comes from consistent, small actions taken over time. Personal growth is the result of what you do every single day, not just when it's convenient or when you feel inspired. It's the small actions that add up to big results. Consistency is the secret to mastering anything. If you want to get better at something, you must do it every day, even if it's only for a few minutes. Small, consistent actions compound over time, leading to significant progress. It is the daily habits and routines that shape your future. Many people start out with great enthusiasm, but they lose steam when they don't see immediate results. But remember, personal growth is not a sprint, it is a marathon. It takes time, persistence, and patience. Keep showing up, even when you don't feel like it. It's through consistency that you build the character and resilience needed to reach your goals. Setting goals is an essential part of personal growth. Without clear goals, you have no direction, no map to guide you on your journey. Goals are the fuel that propels you forward. They give you something to strive for, something to measure your progress against. The best goals are those that challenge you to stretch beyond your current capabilities. Set goals that excite you, goals that force you to grow. Your goals should be specific, measurable, and time-bound. They should push you to take action, to step outside of your comfort zone, and to overcome challenges. But setting goals is just the first step. You must also create a plan to achieve them. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps. Focus on one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be closer to your desired outcome. Remember, a goal without a plan is simply a wish. Don't leave your success up to chance. Take control of your future with a clear, actionable plan. Your attitude determines your altitude. The way you think about yourself and the world around you has a direct impact on your growth and success. If you have a negative attitude, you will attract negative experiences. But if you cultivate a positive attitude, you open yourself up to endless possibilities. Your attitude influences the way you approach challenges. With a positive attitude, you see obstacles as opportunities for growth. You view failure not as a setback, but as a stepping stone to success. A positive attitude gives you the resilience to bounce back from adversity and keep moving forward. Attitude is not something you're born with, it's something you can choose to cultivate. You have the power to change your mindset, to choose optimism over pessimism. The key is to become aware of your thoughts and replace negative ones with empowering beliefs. Practice gratitude, and you'll begin to see the world through a different lens, one that supports your growth and success. Personal growth is fueled by knowledge. The more you learn, the more you can grow. Knowledge is the foundation upon which you build your success. It opens doors, creates opportunities, and equips you with the tools you need to navigate life's challenges. Never stop learning. Make it a habit to read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and surround yourself with people who are smarter and more experienced than you. Knowledge is a lifelong pursuit, and the more you invest in it, the more you'll grow. But knowledge alone is not enough. You must apply what you learn. Wisdom comes from taking knowledge and using it to improve your life. The true value of learning is not in the accumulation of facts, but in the application of those facts to make better decisions and take more effective actions.